Tell the people.
For me, the voice, I know what you do, you know. I represent for Talk Black TV, Bodies TV worldwide. Talk Black, big up yourself.
Greetings. Welcome back to the program. Welcome back to Talk Black TV. It's been a while, but me no gone nowhere, still there. Listen, if you're new to the channel, or the channel is new to you, please do like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to smash that notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever Talk Black TV drops another bomb. Alright, be sure no phono of appearance like this. Either no grow up appearance like this or no currently have appearance like this. Where everything that them tell you in a story. Let me give some advice, it's a story. You ask them a question about something, it's a story. Listen, when we was your age, listen, back in my day, in our time, back in the day, it's always a back in the day story, or some kind of story. Well, if you have peers like this, I'm sure you're gonna relate to this next video. Hey, Pax. If you tell me a knife and fork that yes, I'm playing my drums. A knife and fork that. Pax. If you tell me 3 things to live by in life, what would they be? Do better than that. Give a story. This bird that flies south for the winter. But the winter is cold. So part upon the journey, the bird freeze up and drop a ground. Freeze up stiff. See? But little after that, a dog come and shit on the bird. And the bird say, what is this? From bad to worse. First me freeze up. No dog come shit on me. But the find him start get warm. I feel toasty and him limbs him wings start move on. Him say wait. So he start feel happy. And start sing. Start whistle. A dog hear him. And sneak up. And just eat that. Shit and all. Oh, the moral of the story? It's not everybody who shit by you is your enemy. And it's not everybody who dig you out of shit is your friend. And when you find yourself in a shit, keep your mouth shut. Especially, don't sing.
Talk Black TV.
A knife and fork that.